if you're new here, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the family. Or if you haven't joined the family, just click on this video to see, what I'm about. If you are not new here, welcome back. Hi, how are you? I've missed you. Hope everything is well. Today we are going to be reviewing the new Norvina ABH collection. This is her volume 5. I've had this for about a week now, and I'm not doing anything, and I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. For those of you waiting for the girl talk video, don't worry that it's coming. I just kind of have to get organized with that one first, but I promise you it is coming. July 4th is tomorrow. I could be doing a look for that, but I figured why not do a look with this beauty right here. It just dropped not too long ago, and I figured people would probably want to see a look with these. So I'm going to do a talk over tutorial, and then after that I'll do my final reviews at the end, so it's not going to be like a typical review. But before we get into this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Turn on your notification bell, your post notifications, so you get uploaded. No. So you get notified every time I upload, so you never miss an upload when I do upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. I would love to grow this channel. Like, I really, really would love to grow this channel. I also in the future would love to start a second channel that is not about beauty, because I know it could be kind of confusing for me to do like mostly makeup, and then out of the blue I do like some food video or something. But yeah, also share this video. Sharing is caring. But without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So first I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base in the shade 0, and it's just a white base, and I'm going to use that so the colors pop against my skin. So I ended up applying too much, so I was going back and forth between a brush and my finger just to kind of like take off excess product. Next, going in with the M433 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade B2, which is like a nice lilac-y color, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And you don't have to be super neat with this. I kind of almost took it up to my brow bone. Next, I'm going in with the M456 brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade B3, which is right next to it, and that's more of a true lavender color, and I'm going to apply that in my crease just to add some definition. Again, this does not have to be neat. So I went back and forth between brushes just to create a nice blend, cleaned off my lid with a wipe, and applied more of the P. Louise base. Now I'm going in with the shade D2, and that is like a glitter shade, so you'll probably need like a glitter adhesive or whatever. I don't have any, so that's why I put down the base. I went in with my finger first and then went back in with a brush that was a little bit damp. Now taking an angled brush, I'm going in with the shade C5. It looks brown, but it kind of looked like it came off like a little bit purple, but I'm just using that shade to create a wing. Right, so now I'm going to apply that same shade into my waterline. I did my foundation and powder and bronzer off camera, by the way. I'm going in with this Melted Light blush from Ciate in the shade Burnt. It just looks like this. The blush didn't show up on camera. Maybe I just didn't apply enough, I don't know, but this blush is my favorite. Next, taking the shade Crown of My Canopy from Wet n Wild, I'm just going to use that to highlight your typical highlight areas: nose, cheekbones, temples, cupid's bow, all that good stuff. I also applied some to my brow bone. Next, I'm going in with the shade A1, which is just a white shade, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner.
The matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room.
For lips, I'm just using a brown liner to line my lips per usual, and then I'm gonna go I'm gonna go in with the shade Butterscotch from Kylie Jenner's lipsticks. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna go in with a peach shade gloss. Then for setting spray, I'm going in with the 3-in-1 primer water from Wet n Wild. They have 3 scents: rose, coconut, and cucumber. I have rose. I added mascara and lashes off camera. I just used the Sky High mascara, and these lashes are from Kiss in the style Ritzy. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Here's non-close-up slow-mo. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Somebody shooting off fireworks. But okay, so as you guys saw, I created a look using the new Norvina Volume 5 palette. My final review on this is, if you were thinking about getting it or hesitant about getting it, girl, honey, love bug, go get it. Go get it. Spend the coin and get it. It's worth it. Very, very pigmented The 4th until tomorrow. Very, very pigmented shadows. There's glitters in here. It's such a beautiful palette. I don't really know what else to say, but it's pigmented, beautiful palette, beautiful color scheme, worth the money. Just go get it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial / review. And like I said, the girl talk video will be coming soon. I just have to organize it. Yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment, and share. Thumbs up and like, those are the same thing. And subscribe to my channel, become a part of the Love Bug family. I guess you guys are officially my love bugs. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.